So you're big on sedation for your
Yes.
patients.
As a board certified oral surgeon, that's one of our main features in training is that we're both an anesthesiologist and the surgeon. We're uniquely trained for that.
Okay.
And so we can handle anybody who has significant fear or even potential that they're afraid of pain to the point where we can actually start sedating the night before.
What?
The night before. We can give you a pill and you can start relaxing the night before.
To sleep better.
To sleep better.
Interesting.
Get better rest, wake up again, take another pill, and then come see us, and then we're going to hook you to those
Are there
monitors.
people that are that phobic
There's
of dentists?
There's a lot of patients. That's a big holdup why a lot of patients won't go see the dentist, is because they have a fear. They've had a bad experience, or they have tooth pain and they're just leery of having to deal with it. They come see us, we can actually put a mask on your face, and about 2 or 3 minutes later, you fall asleep, wake up, surgery's over with.
Is that right? With IV sedation? And you're monitoring what when they're sedated?
We monitor everything the hospital has. All the equipment you see in the emergency room or the OR, we have every bit of that equipment and more. And Randy, because we have someone sedated, we can actually get more work done, more efficient, better quality work, because a lot of patients come there with white knuckle syndrome, and we're able to, with the mother that has a lot of different jobs, have multiple children, they're trying to get things done, we can get more work done because we have them sedated.
In one shot?
In one shot.
And you say it's like amnesia for some people?
Hey, it had profound amnesia on a lot of patients. It starts actually the night before if we start sedating them at that point. But from the beginning we put the mask on to the time they wake up, they don't remember anything. Oftentimes they make it home and they don't even remember being there at all.
Do they ever say, so I'm going to walk out here with new teeth that don't come out? Do they ever say those kind of things?
They don't say that until I educate them, but once we educate them, they say it all the time and they're excited.